Good now, travelers, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to go to the Apple store because they offer free classes such as coding, photography, video, that type of thing. And the only criteria, I think, you just have to be human, because they will even give you a iPhone or a iPad to use. When I got there was a photo class in session, so I stayed for that. My class didn't start until 1. The guy Marco was very informative. He taught me a lot of things that I had no idea about. And so now I want you guys to check out my video. Let me know what you think.
2, 3, go. 난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜가 아니야. 내 자신이 미워서 한참을 울었어. 그래야 기분이 나아질 것 같아서 내일이 오면 나는 또다시 어제 입었던 옷을 입고서 have to fake myself. 나약한 모습은 숨기고 살아야